Hi friends, today we are seeing unboxing about the LED headlights from Shilan. This company from China. This product is available from eBay and Amazon. eBay it will available for less price compared to Amazon. Okay, let's see what's there inside. Okay, see that box is LED auto LED lighting system high power. See the box is see that is H4 high low and another specification headlights also it is there. So this is H4 high low and 30 watts 600 Kelvin and round. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the installation manual, how to install the LED bulbs for your car. Okay, let's see the front. The auto LED lighting system, there is in Chinese language it is there. We are not understanding that Chinese language. Okay, let's see what's there. Okay, this is the LED lights. This LED lights is having heat sink as well as this heat dissipation fan also it is there. This is the 3 LEDs are there. Each LED it is 10 watts, so totally 30 watts it is there. Okay, this LED also separate driver it is there. Canvas. It is simply plug and play your car. Importantly, I will telling how to install this from H48. You can remove the screw both here. You are remove the screw both there. There itself you can see. Focus. Want to remove it, you can remove that one, can easily fix it. Okay friends, my next video how to this LED lights perform the over the stock bulbs. Okay, thanks for watching. It is really helped me. Please give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends.